Welcome to the Spotlight segment. This is a segment dedicated to interviews with developers or interesting happenings in the world of Android. And now for this week's episode, here's your Spotlight.
Let's move now to the Spotlight, and this week we're going to talk about a new release of the Android QPR1 beta. So Warren, what's happening with the QPR?
Yeah, so the QPR Beta 1 3.1 dropped this week, and that's the QPR1 Beta 3.1. And that's what we have. They have some bug fixes. There are like 24 of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to read all of them, but just for giggles, I'll try to read all of them that we have. There are some 24 bug fixes for this release, as I indicated. And here are some of those changes. 1. Device instability or reboots related to Wi-Fi by improving how the system processes network statistics. 2. The Context Hub, a low-power sensor component, would crash due to excessive use of main memory, causing device instability, resolved by optimizing memory allocation and preventing memory leaks. 3. The home screen sometimes lost its bottom row of pinned apps and the search bar, making them inaccessible. This was fixed by adjusting how these elements reappear after screen transitions. 4. Notifications would overlap in the shade, hindering readability by refining the notification display and dismissal animation logic. 5. An issue that caused unexpected device restarts. 6. The quick setting UI on unfolded foldable devices appeared clipped or misaligned due to incorrect padding caused by double counting the camera cutout. 7. An issue that caused devices to unexpectedly reboot. 8. The status bar appearing in the quick settings shade was sometimes misaligned with the standard status bar, causing a visual inconsistency. 9. Addressed a system hang on crash, particularly during unlock caused by the camera's ambient light sensor ALS read getting stuck by implementing a non-blocking method of sensor data retrieval. 10. The media player on the lock screen would sometimes disappear or become unresponsive. 11. An issue where the notification shade displayed a large growing gap obscuring notifications by correcting how notifications animations were clipped. 12. An issue where the media player notification could appear clipped or disappear during device rotation by improving how its display area is sized and updated in UI transitions. 13. Video calls initiated from the voice calls no longer experience muted audio. A system audio fix now correctly manages sound output during call type transitions. 14. An issue where black translucent bars appeared at the top and bottom of the home screen after exiting full screen apps by correcting how transient system bar states were cleared. 15. An issue that caused the device to unexpectedly crash and restart during an OTA update. 16. An issue causing occasional device restarts after system updates. 17. Widgets on the home screen sometimes failed to load due to looking for outdated app files. 18. Typing occasionally stopped working in apps because internal input system processes could raise. 19. Device crashes caused by the context hub running out of memory. 20. Bluetooth crashes and instability caused by an unimplemented packet type error has been resolved. 21. RG5 BD1 AA250219.006 unable to handle kernel paging request. 22. An issue that could cause phone disconnection or system crashes during calls by resolving a memory corruption bug in audio data buffer handling related to audio playback speed changes. 23. A brief screen flicker happened when launching apps from the notification shade. And 24. A system crash that could occur when using your device's media features, especially when connected to a computer for media transfer by improving the internal handling of media connection resources. And those are the things that we have as bug fixes, though. But the most important one for those of us who are blind is that notorious, very unpleasant mic in use phrase that plagued us with the last update has been resolved. And so when you launch the assistant, or when you go to the camera app, or when you're trying to do a voice dictation, or you're trying to do a voice dictation in a messaging app, it doesn't matter whether it was Telegram, WhatsApp, or a regular SMS messaging app, you're going to hear that microphone in use. Now, that is gone with the wind. And those are the things that happen, though, with this update. And I'm particularly happy, most especially with the fact that we no longer have to hear microphone in use.